Hi guys, welcome back to my channel The Cat Eye. So today I'm gonna be doing this natural party makeup look. I think this look is perfect for any kind of dress, any color, because I have created natural eyes with nude lips. So let's get started with this makeup look. I have already prepped my skin and picked color correction near chin area. Now I am correcting under eye area with Kryolan Orange Cream Concealer, applying very lightly and blending with my ring finger. Then to cover this orange cream concealer, I am using Skin Tone Concealer of again Kryolan. You can see my dark circles are properly covered. Now I am blending this concealer all over my eye. For foundation, I am using this Estee Lauder Double Wear in the shade Cashew and Maybelline Super Stay in the shade Warm Nude. I am mixing these two foundations and little bit of moisturizer, and now I am applying it all over my face with this fan brush. Basically this brush is used for highlighter, but right now I am using it to apply foundation all over my face. And now I am spraying little bit of water all over my face so that the foundation can easily be blended. Now to blend this foundation, I am using Beauty Blender so that this foundation can easily be blended. For concealer, I am using this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Medium just to highlight my under eye area. Now I am blending this concealer with my ring finger. You can use concealer brush, but I am more comfortable with my ring finger, so I am using this. Now to set this base, I am using Compact of Color Bar Timeless. I am in the shade Soft Opal. You can see I am just pressing the powder in small strokes so that the base can properly set. Next for eyebrows, I am using this L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit. This is my favorite product because the consistency of the cream and the powder is just very nice, and the colors are just perfect for Indian skin tone. Now I am using little bit of concealer to highlight the eyebrows. And now I am blending it properly with the Beauty Blender. I just love this step because it just highlights your eyebrows. For eyes, I am using this Inglot eyeshadow palette. I am using light brown kind of shade on my crease area with Oriflame eyeshadow brush. It is little bit deeper than my actual skin tone. Next for lid, I am using Champagne Gold kind of shade. This is very natural highlighter shade. Now I am using darker brown kind of shade to add little bit of depth to the crease. For eyeliner, I am using pen eyeliner because it is very easy to apply. Next I am using the same dark brown shade on my lower lash line. For eyelashes, I am using L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I am applying it on my upper lashes as well as lower lashes. For bronzing and blush, I am using this Estee Lauder palette, applying bronzer on my under cheek area along with the nose and little bit on the hairline. Next I am applying Nude Rose Blush from the palette on the apples of my cheeks. Now it's time to highlight. I am using L'Oreal True Match Lumi Illuminator, applying on the cheekbone, nose, little bit on the forehead and chin area. Now I am blending all the products together for flawless finish. Adding little bit of lip balm on the lips. For lip color, I am using Color Bar Sinful Matte Lip Color in the shade Corset. And lip liner from Sugar in the shade Wooded by Nude 02. This is the whole look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and I will be back with another video. Bye bye.